Alright, this nigga asking too many questions. Fuck that. Alright, I'm caught the fuck. Oh, and she do yoga too.
Alright, bro. Oh, this
boy Nick.
Oh, he said, don't be a bitch. Oh!
I think Spoon wanted to prove his little point.
I guess. Ooh.
Like, ooh. He's still a bitch ass nigga.
What up, decorations? We can get our 1v1. You finally wanted it. Let's go.
It don't even matter what teams are. Yeah, it don't even matter what teams are.
Well, let's go, decorations. You can get your 1v1 now. I'll let you feel good, man.
Sorry we had to do your boy like that if it is your boy.
I'm about to beat your ass, though, decorations. Let you know that right now.
Oh, these niggas finally playing.
This is how this shit all started. This is how this shit started. How it started versus how it went.
Oh my god.
Oh damn. I'm wrong goal, man.
That boy creeping. Oh, damn.
My shit glitched like a motherfucker. I was about to take off for that nigga. Oh, wrong button. Wrong button. Man, decorations, you lucky I got damn jumped the wrong way now. Hey, decorations, I ain't even gonna lie, you gotta get rid of your buddy.
No cap.
He's not a good influence on your life.
No cap.
No cap.
He's a horrible influence on your life.
He the type nigga get you beat up in school and then try to dap you up when you get back to being suspended.
Yeah, don't be like him. Do not be
He the type nigga y'all get in trouble at the store for stealing and he don't say nothing. Just look at you. As soon as they ask the first question, he look dead at you.
He got all them goddamn snacks in his bubble coat.
No cap.
That nigga is not real right. That nigga is real left.
That motherfucker back there is not real.
I'm telling you.
That motherfucker is not real.
Damn, that rain going crazy. It's hotbox weather.
Oh, that light, look at these ones, man.
I dipped out. I just wanted to smack on him one time.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. I'm in here. Oh, I do got a shot I can take, matter of fact. A little shot.
Oh, wait. You finna drink something? Hold on, let me get down. Go get this little bev real quick.
Damn, I done drink all my bev.
I'm finna get a beer.
Yeah, mate. Oh, he crossed me.
I may get some.
Good out here. You got burning.
Some of it's a whole mixture of mistakes. Oh, you say you don't know him in real life? Nah, yeah, we can tell that. What was I about to say? I was about to ask. Oh yeah, Landon, what's the drinking age in Egypt? Like, can you be 18 to drink there?
I think he said 18.
Yo.
Cause I know when I was in South Africa, it was 18.
Damn it. Hold on.
Took the long way home.
Landon, you drink or you like, ew, fuck that. Fuck that, bro.
Landon be drinking. Be drinking on that Egyptian. Oh, he Muslim. He don't drink.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. Damn. I keep forgetting. My bad. Man.
Wait,
My
Muslims
bad.
don't drink?
Yeah, I didn't know that though. I didn't know that. Nah, sleeping off. Nah,
Right,
they be sleeping that shit. Cause I know a couple Muslims that got shit.
Nah, that's the American Muslims. You don't know them Egyptian Muslims.
Okay, yeah. Nah, okay. Well, over here, landed them American Muslims. They be.
Yeah, them
and they be eating
niggas.
bacon.
Yeah,
They be eating pork like a motherfucker and drinking.
And they be eating that bacon, boys.
And they bitches be showing their skin. So
he's saying they be showing.
Hey, nah, what's the? Hey, them bitches is goddamn is haram, nigga.
He said I'm a good Muslim. Nah, that's what's up.
Niggas said they haram.
These bitches out here is haram, nigga.
Harambe.
I can't do sex.
I can't do that.
Oh nah, you
Boy,
tripping
you better
now,
than me, boy. You better than me.
Wait, so you got to be married?
had-
Like, you got to get married to do that shit?
Yeah, but the thing is the catch. You can have 70 wives in this bitch.
True.
Yes, they forgive you for not doing it your whole life, so they grant you 70 of them.
Wait, so Landon, is there like any rules like that you don't fuck with? Well, besides that right there, like, you know what I'm saying, like.
He said I did only one mistake. What's your mistake?
Yeah. Like I say, what's the consequences if you get caught? I fuck this motherfucker.
Nigga, they getting their arms. Oh my god, Landon
I'm
Yo.
taking a shot at that.
Yo.
I'm taking a shot at
No
that.
cap.
I'm taking a shot at that.
Lando is stupid as
Nah,
fuck,
he snapped.
bro.
He snapped right there.
He did, because he had me like, oh, what'd he do?
You can marry up
He
to
said you can
4?
marry
That's
up to 4.
crazy.
That is crazy.
No, it ain't. I'm trying to get like Lando. Let me move out there with you for a year, my boy. I'll help pay bills and everything.
We getting stoned to death, boy.
Okay, we'll find you folks.
Hey, look.
We'll find you at least 2.
Hey, look. Check me out.
We getting stoned, bro, if we go out there.
And no one here marries 4. They all marry 1. Man,
Oh,
shit.
they wag as hell.
Niggas ain't even using their natural
Yeah,
rights.
no cap.
Nigga, we out here getting in trouble for it.
Right. Niggas is...
Niggas not even married, just goddamn girlfriend, nigga. Niggas not even married.
What, nigga? I'm fucking bitches that I went on a date. What you talking about?
Oh my god.
That's funny as hell.
Nah, them rules over there scary as hell. This nigga, I think Travis Scott shit this week.
I thought it got canceled or something.
Oh, it did?
Because it said there's some weird ritual or some shit.
Oh, hell nah. Oh,
They
hell
wasn't
nah.
fucking with it. They wasn't fucking with it. They said it's like some weird shit. Oh, damn, I fucked up.
He said, who can afford 4 wives? No cap. Bitches do be
That's
expensive.
I mean... Shit. Oh, I missed. Damn.
Alright, so where you at? Is there like a middle class, lower class, and upper class? Or is it just like upper class and lower class? Like, what it's like in the town you in? True.
Oh, damn. Oh, shit. I tried to sneak it in there.
I'm like a bug.
GG's decorations. You beat me, man.
You finally got the dub. We all knew you was
You
gonna catch.
beating me, G. Oh, man. I'ma just shut up now. Damn.
No cap. No cap. No cap. Oh my god. He got down. He shut your bronze ass up.
Yeah, he did. He shut my peak bronze 2 ass up.
Bronze 2 ass up.
So I don't even know how to fucking look at niggas' ranks in this
I was about to
shit.
say, how do you even know that? Like,
No cap.
nigga know how to check a nigga rank. You really play this fucking game, you bitch ass boy.
Nah, decorations. You cared, bro. Don't say you ain't
Who
cared
sounds
now.
bored? You call me ass, bro. Now we all know you not
Nah.
ass. Like, if you take that personal,
Come on, decorations.
like, if anything,
He said he calls me ass even when I score good shit. No cap. Nigga taking everything to heart like a female, like acting like a little hoe.
Led the more ass than everybody, so I already know what you feel me.
oh my
These
God.
niggas must not understand sarcasm and jokes.
I'm just glad your boy got out of here, man. That was some funny stuff, though.
No